the winner of this battle, Ribbons, and the Distro. And the Genesis muscles this way. He goes for the shot, and yes, sir. Up against Ray, go fast, Avalanche, and Genesis Avalanche. This jump for all the other fans this time. This is a break from Torres, the attacks. This is the Sosa for the second time. Points apiece in this first play. Here's Genesis once again. Rushing up the shot, misses. Rebound goes to Sosa. This is Michael on the Cowboy. By Yambato Torres. Launches the figure. It's Ian on the two-way. This ball. Anticipation is there by Yaka picks it up. On for Joshua. More Alejo passes. There's Sosa with the play. Ray, drop down. No, the rebound secured by Johnson. Berhama with the save. Attacks, loses the handles. Here's the breakdown for the white shirt. Jumbo. This is the tempo. JK this time. This is again Genesis. Genesis for the third time around. Yes, sir. Genesis now going to stick it this time. Yes, sir. Offensive foul, turnovers. Paradeo on the right wing. Bring it down. Pass inside. Jenny is blocked. Tigers and years the other. Here is Genesis. Saudi. Off the gas. Yes, sir. Up to Genesis. And this pass on the baseline. Ian on the left wing. Yes, sir. And just like that. That points down. Here's the Sosa. Oh, the heck of a boy on his first quarter of action. It's Moradell using the fake from Jenny. Fades away. Oh! And then on the other side. Attacks on the baseline. Couldn't connect. Here's Joshua on the break. Moradell with another. Attack. Berhama on the left wing. Back to Ian on to Genesis. Avalanche with a strong move. Will Bennett getting his own pace. Lucky that too. Now for Genesis Avalanche, there is more. Offensive pitch two. This is a big from their Sosa. Losing out of control. Emily Howden losing out of control. Emily Howden divided. Crosses, fires, disconnected, and he was secured by Jonathan and Alta. Can't go fast. Avalanche with a flush. Here's Bolaño. But terrible Mark Bolaño announcing his presence here at COD Arena. It's COD Arena. It's Jeff Jamie on the other hand, he is fast. Aiden, go fast. Avalanche from the elbow. Slide it down. Then tries to work with. Then Sosa fires. Yes, sir! And they're up by 3, 21-20. Big hit on play. Little finish. Crossball. On to Torres. Fires. Oh no! Back for the loose editors. Padilla on the landing. Deseo with a flush. Good taken. Bobby Hernandez Padilla. With a shot. Yes, sir. Here is Sosa. Here's Sosa. Holding up the board. Joshua, what the hell
Quarterfinal ladies with the X Factor. This is on his first shot. Kevin gets a rebound. Kevin with his legs. Tip for two. Acknowledging the presence of our Congressman Kiko Barzaga. whistle that time. So the foul was on the player number 22. Number 22 on the South Cup. Mark gets a rebound. Hand off the side of the Joshua. Here's Mornell off the jump board. Mayama at the baseline. Doing the foul. Loses it. Offensive rebound by Mark. Shot back down to 10. Here's Mornell going inside. Fading away. And here's Dennis Chavez, the leading scorer of the ball game, inside. And that is an offensive foul. The rebound inside of the JT and the middle area. He attacks off the board. And he's on this. Here's on the rebound after Joshua. Morello on the right. Kicks it out. Devin scores off. Comes to Devin. Flores. This is Steph Iron. On the front floor. Back to Devin. Here Sosa cleans off the mess. Sosa. Dennis is now at the baseline, showing his range. This is that one, ball tap. And they come back to the starting as a steal. Lays it in. Two. Here's Joshua, back to Jumboy. Mayama squares off. Jumboy Mayama. This has the low post. Right to Garden, 5. Aviles loses it for a little bit of the steal. It's Joshua inside. Versosa. Versosa. From Joshua Morel, timeout, 6-2. Here's Biden. Looks to stop their rally for H2. Biden bumping in. Over Versosa, he pays, he scores. Back to Jumboy. Back to open in the corner. That will be an offensive foul. Here's Kaiden, looking for teammate. Hand off back to JP. Into Aviles again. This is the same play they're doing. Looking for their big guys. 17 points already. Barely looking at inside points for Vegas 7-2. A stop. Kevin. Right to Garden by David. Back to Jaden. Attacking in over Aviles. He fades, he fires, bounces off. Aviles secures the rebound. Out and now by Kaiden, the spin. Goes to Skyland, Shambre bounce. Forcing that issue, but misses. Here's Bray, uses the momentarily. Kicks out by Kevin. Kevin Thomas. Here's Dennis, nowhere to go, jump off. And the jump hook is good. This is the Aviles. Can he make it again? Over to the defenders. Aviles using his line. This is that time. They gotta get support. Here's Joshua forcing the issue. JM with an open shot. No. Rabe with a rebound again. Out and pass for Aviles. 3-on-2 break. He bumps, fires, and misses. Good defense for Delgado. That was a close missed opportunity. Here's Aviles making his way and securing that 2 points. 7 points in the quarter. A quiet second quarter for Joshua. But again, he is finding his team to be involved in each phase. There's some up winding down in the dance. The kick out. Here's Ben. Kaiden with his man. Footwork. Short. That was a good shot. A little bit short on that shot. Still a 3-point lead. 2 minutes. Here's Ray. One of the sharpshooter from H2. Over again. Shot up down to single digit. Trying to get a dance. He fades. Quick shot. No. Ball secured again. This ball to JP attacks in the lane. Off the glass, no. Getting his own net. The front back. Still miss. There is a foul. Look at this. Off to Joshua. Turn it again. He's double team. Fades. Soft touch. 9 points. 40 downs. And manages to using that lefty. The quickness eliminated 6 points for PNP score. There's only a 1-point game under a minute remaining. JN off the Joshua. That could be a clear crowd. Now versus Dennis Morgan. You have the flow of H2 in Thailand all alone. Oh, he misses that one. A sort of missed layup for Thailand. Here's Ventura and long to Marleo. Sides up to his balance. Off to Kyle. This time he secures and he makes that 2 points. Off to that consist. 3 seconds to rinse up with the shot and the take-off. H2 can take the last shot. Here's the shot ball. Joshua. So the 2. Here's Kyle. Off to Ilano. He gets a finger off the glass. Off the bench.
He's on the stadium on the Peralta. Jumping for three. Yes, sir. On to Joshua. Moralejo on the stage. And the pass. There's Sosa couldn't finish. Here's the bring up for the bench. There's the installation. Peralta on the baseline. Putting him on the shot clock. Forza di Brazil. And here is guided again. And just like that, the table turns around. Now he's on the side of the 2. There's a whistle shot clock. For the boys in green, JD Flyers, yes sir! For the first time, Andy will go on the field. Technical foul on the WB. Excellent 0, Genesis Avenue. Here's Torres on to Joshua. Moralejo on to Wayamba. Jofford, Washington. Here. Pass on to JD. Rabe. He's handled by Sosa. On to Peralta. John Ray. Changing his hand. In the spirit trade. Joshua fires. Yes, sir. Moralejo. On the people shot is Genesis with an answer. Here is Moralejo. On the left wing, the Torres for Lynn. Here's Lynn. Flash of passes to the road man, Moralejo. Stepping on the gas. Touchdown! Joshua Moralejo getting that still, converting it into points. 18 points for him. Here's Diaz. Up against Torres, Vince, fires, fades away, no! Either goes to Sosa. Here's John Boy on to Michael. This is that attack. Here's the breakout, Rabe on the other hand. Looking for an isolation, making his way, fades away, misses. Either goes to Genesis, and here is the run. Work on a nice other clip too. Joshua pass on the outlet. Aviles spins. A pass on the baseline. Yes, sir. 7 huge point for Genesis Aviles. Dominating the shading area for Salipin 2. 10 seconds to work with for H2. Here's Moralejo. Attacks. Fires. Misses. Bayamba has it on the second survey to Bebe. Shaka is waiting down. 5 seconds to shoot. Torres attacks. Fires, misses though. Rebound secured by JD. Destro and disposal. On to JD. On the parking lot, misses though. Here's the breakdown for H2. Bayamba. Calming things down. Taking some time, using the play from Sosa. Out and on to Mansawi, coming down on the Torres, 10 seconds to work with. Sosa fires, disconnected. Here's the breakdown, Aviles goes all the way. Held short on the shot, here's Jacob in and out. Here's JD. Rabe signaling the play onto this throw. Ian against Jaboy. Fires on it, one-hander. Goes back to 8, 65 to 57. So a minute to go in this third quarter. There's 7. Looking to attack. Pass on to Mansawi. Coming down with a flush. First. Under a minute to go. Here's Disco. And on to JP, 10 seconds to work with. On to Aviles. Demolition inside. Passes stolen by Monalejo. Joshua all the way. And he is down. Grabe with the reception. Passes Aviles. Off the bench shot. Yes, sir. 10 seconds to go. Here's Mansawi off the baseline. Bucket pass. No! 5 seconds remaining. Vanilla on the spin. And there is the whistle.
We're on our way now for this last 10 minutes in regulation. Versosa, Wyatt, third quarter. Over to Aviles, who's really has been the best player so far in this ball game. Monalejo, he checked that time. Here's Dave Grabe. Didn't take on that long shot. Looking for a teammate. With someone running down. Off to Kage. Padilla corner to John Beck. Down to single-digit shot clock. Down to 5. Here's Sadie. Attacking in. There is a foul. 19 points in the ball game. Joshua attacking in. Deflected by JP. Active hands. Here is Joshua. Side step. To pick up the jump into the corner. He stepped wide open. Get Jackson in. Loses it. Good defense. Going down. Off to JP on top of the key. They shot up down the net. Over to Piano. Going on his shot. He bombs off the glass. Gets it down. What? 13 points, 11 rebounds in the ball game. Here's Sam, legal and shot. Third would be a foul. Foul on Genesis Aviles. And the forward. Basman easy on the defense. Here's Genesis off the screen and tapping the offensive foul. I think that with the third personal foul on shot. Versosa over Aviles. The two teammates from LPU. Rabe securing another board. Loses it. Versosa gets the steal and they're easy quick. Now they're leading by 12 points. Here's Joshua looking for speed. He's now the leading scorer from H2. Tightly guarded by Kaite. With shot up down to 5. 1-1 was more than a corner. 30 mark. 2 seconds. Oh, perfected. And that is a 24 seconds. Off to JP Rabe. Inside again. The same day in the first half. Going to the big guy. Spin. Footworks. No, back in for the boards. Good defense from Luciano. Here's Monalejo on the quick set. He attacks. Inside pass. Basket escape. And one. That offensive rebound. They're really fighting hard to get this offensive board. John Boy for 3. No. Versosa saves that basketball. Great effort for JM. John Boy, baseline, his favorite shot. Goes baseline shooter. High defense will be a foul. Foul on John Boy Bayamba with his second personal. The third. Here's Ben. Peaceful, looks for teammate inside. Kaiden bumping up over Monalejo. Tight defense, Aviles, 60-foot J. Both teams, please proceed to your respective benches.
All players to your respective benches and observe cover bench to go.
And both teams are requested to go to your respective benches. Here's Kaiden now laying down. Kaiden off the speed. Spanish escape, the pick out to JP. Rabe with 5. Inside to Aviles. Lee on the shot clock. Aviles making straight in. Power move inside. in the paint. Grabe with a rebound. 31 points for Avalis. The kick out and for three. In and out. Here's Ray. Steps on the ring, was scored. Managed to catch it. Off to JM with 15 on the clock. Back to Ray. The kick out. Ian getting the steal. There would be a foul. Foul 6:65. That will double-digit lead with 5-minute 58 mark. Another best free throw. Here is Coronel. On the attack. The kick out. JM at the free throw area. Cowboy with his favorite spot. And still with Bayama now with 12 points in the ball game. The X factor again. Tied in, stays it, off to the pick and roll, puts it up. 33 points, 16 rebounds in the ball game. For big boy Avalis. There's Avalis. Camille misses that one. And that's an air ball. Here is Ian. Peaceful over Versosa. Inside the pocket, the spin, the footwork, breaking away. Chris Ray gets the rebound. Corner, money. Tomboy Bayamba hitting up and the score. 6 points in the quarter, 14 points in the ball game. Here's Ace on the offense. Ray on the break. The pick out. Oh, the pass is too strong. A sorry turnover that time. Timeout. Solution 2. A 9-point lead for the defending champions. Here's JB inside of getting to Avalis, the leading scorer of the ball game. Off the JB at the free throw line, 5, spin, pump fake, nowhere to go, Avalis in the corner for 3. 24 seconds shot. Here's Joshua off the Kevin for 3. It's at the air ball again. Don't want. Here's Naiden orchestrating the play for Surgeon 2. Looking for speed, the speed from Avalis. Going on his net, he bumped to the baseline, creating space, bringing shots good. Let's bump the baseline, 10 points to end the ball game. Here's Versosa. Jane over Avalis. Oh, the active hands from Kaiden off to the front board. Kaiden onto the deck. And there's the foul. 81-69. Kevin tries again. Back-to-back misses. Versosa finds it forward. Get that bounce. Double James Versosa. 21 points, 11 rebounds in the ball game. Turnover. Back in the game now. Here's Coronel with up and under. Balls have out. Ian picks up the rebound. Off the Beach Boy. Baseball goes all the way. Basket is good. And one. Versosa picks up the rebound. Here's Tomboy. Loses balance on the same spot. This is that 9. Jante loses the basketball. Here's Joshua taking a quick step, loses the basketball. Ian gets on the rebound. Avalis taking that one, misses that short layup. Here's Versosa with his man, he attacks, the layup is good. Versosa. Versosa with 23 points, 12 rebounds in the ball game. That is an offensive foul. Jumping it on the 5 fouls, foul down. Here's Tomboy this time. For Kevin, quick shot. Kevin Myers, 3! As they mentioned, this is not yet over. Chewy Scorpiani. Misses the first. Second Vito. Look at the ground from H2. Effectively. Get that chance. Here's Sosa on the rim. Sosa. Up there by Alvarez. What a good defense. Back and forth to his ball. Let's also get over the shot. No. Alvarez with 18 boards. One video for the H2. Boston Moreno. First skills for Joshua. H2 is on their feet now. Here we go. Joshua laying down off the chain. Versosa back to Joshua. Moreno. Cross four, and Pepe for three. Go! Mark, in a perseverer, handle! Here's Alvarez, one place, off the glass, 37 big points. There's Bonano with a big, good shot. Showing the handles, was forward, and high and high, what a sequencer right there now. Both of this team running on the board. J.M. back to Jumbo in the corner, back from the play. ball possession. There's Ryan bringing back. There's a foul. This is the first. 2 seconds to go.